Hi, this is Talia, the dietitian, and you may remember me from Instagram at Family Snack Nutritionist. You might be wondering why I'm on YouTube, and I really want you to have a place to go when you have a few minutes rather than a few seconds to learn something about nutrition and dive into a topic with me. So today I'm here at a supermarket and I'm going to be doing a label comparison of peanut butters, and if you've watched any of my videos or you find this one helpful and useful, I would love if you would subscribe and don't forget to turn your notifications on so you never miss a nutrition video. Alright, so I have two peanut butters here. I want us to look at the Skippy first. There are multiple varieties of Skippy, but I picked this one because it says natural on it. And natural is not a protected term, so anything can say natural on it. So that's a marketing thing that I want you to be aware of. So for peanut butter, the first thing that I'm actually going to look at is not the label itself, it's actually the ingredients. When you're buying a peanut butter, you want to look for a peanut butter that has one ingredient, peanuts. And you might be buying one that has salt, although if you're buying it for your kids, I would recommend avoiding any with salt in them, because 90% of kids get too much sodium in their diet already. So this one, I'm going to read you the ingredients. The first one is roasted peanuts, the second is sugar, the third is palm oil, the last ingredient is salt. Okay, so peanut butter really doesn't need any oil in it because peanuts already have oil. So I'm already telling you that I would not buy this, and I wouldn't recommend you buy it either. Sugar as well, a lot of peanut butters have sugar added to them. That's really a problem. Don't buy one like that that has that on it. And in terms of palm oil, it does not have a favorable fatty acid profile. It's not beneficial to health. And it's also not great for the environment, so this is definitely one I would stay away from. I'm going to put it back. The other one that I wanted to show you today was this one. And the first thing I wanted to draw your attention to is the fact that it says non-GMO on it. I did a little bit of research, and the National Peanut Board has a statement saying that there are no GMO peanuts. So this is something that you might want to look at because it's often used as a marketing ploy to either charge more or make it seem like a better product. Alright, so I'm going to flip this one over, and I can tell you the first thing, there's only one ingredient on here, and that's peanuts. So you can pretty much stop there. You really don't need to look any more at the nutrition label because nothing else except peanuts is in this product. You will notice that there's a high amount of fat in there, which you expect because peanuts have a lot of fat in them, but they do have a favorable fatty acid profile. That is something that you want. They also have a lot of protein, fiber, they have a little bit of calcium, a little bit of iron, and some potassium. So peanuts are considered a nutrient-dense food, and they're a good choice as a spread for kids. If you're giving anything like crackers or toast, it's definitely good to add something that has high energy and also lots of great nutrients in there. So peanut butter is definitely a pick, and look for one that only has peanuts on the ingredients list. If you found that video helpful, which I certainly hope you did and maybe learned something, please subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram at Family Snack Nutritionist. This is Talia. Bye.
I've got lots of videos for you to check out about label reading to help you bring better food home with you.